Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss DAX evaluation order in Power BI. So with the help of a DAX evaluation order, DAX evaluates the parameters in the function. So there are some rules of DAX evaluation order. Let's discuss one by one. So suppose if we have an individual function. So in this type it evaluates from left to right, starting from the first parameter, followed by the second, third, and so on. So whenever we are writing a individual function, so in the in individual function, it evaluates from left to right. Let's discuss about if the DAX query is of a nested type function. In this type of function, it evaluates from inside out, starting from the innermost function and working outwards from there. So suppose there is a nested function, and is there nested function, the label of function is 2 label, 3 label, 4 label. So how it will going to execute, from where DAX evaluation order will going to execute? First it will execute at the innermost, and then so suppose there's a 3 label, label 1, label 2, label 3. So first it will going to execute label 3, then it will going to execute label 2, and then it will going to execute label 3. So it will execute innermost, and last it will execute the outermost. And one of the very important is that important things we need to remember. Just calculate function evaluates using its own sets of rule. I will cover this in my later video. I will create a video whenever I will going to discuss about the calculate function. At that point of a time, I will just discuss what is the evaluation order of calculate function in DAX query. So let's discuss about this one. This is a very simple function. So this is the if function we are using, logical test 1, result if true, result if false. So we have discussed that if the function is normal, then the evaluation would be left to right. So this is the evaluated first, then it will evaluated this one, and lastly it will evaluated this one. Because here we have seen the individual function. In this type of function, it evaluates from left to right, starting from the first parameter, followed by the second and third, and so on. Let's discuss about this one. This is the nested DAX code. So in the nested DAX code, the innermost will be going to execute first. So what is the innermost? The innermost is this one. This is the innermost, right? That's why this will execute first. After that, this will going to execute, because this is the code which is just above this innermost. So this will going to execute after this one, and this is the last. It will execute last. So we can say this is the label 1, this is the label 2, this is the label 3. So label 1 execute first, label 2 execute after that, and label 3 will execute at the last. So label 1 is the innermost, label 2 is present at the middle, and label 3 is the outermost. So first innermost and lastly outermost. This is the evaluation order whenever the DAX is of a nested type. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.